Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm standing in front of another stunning villa which is built on 317 square meters and it has 200 square meters net living surface. The property is set up with 5 bedrooms and 2 living rooms. I really want to point out the amazing job they did with this garden. So this huge pool is overlooking the Çiftlikköy Bay and you can even see Kiel's Island. Also the landscaping looks very nice. Look at this, Suleiman. Look at the amount of space you have here for entertainment. It's huge. Here you have your private entrance to the villa. Okay, let's go inside. The living room is set up with an open plan kitchen and you have access to your nice garden. This huge terrace is located next to the master bedroom and is overlooking your swimming pool, garden and of course the sea. This is definitely one of the most special villas in the area. For more information, do not hesitate to contact us.